Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Halifax account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Halifax account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address halifax.co.uk and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Halifax. Guys, now in order to register an account you'll be required to scroll down on this page until you can see the register online button, and over here guys, under the section of online banking, you can see there is the register for online banking option available for us. Click on that register for online banking, and over here let's accept all the cookies and consent from the Halifax. Now let's click on the register for online banking again. Over here again, let's scroll down, and over here there is register here. Let's click on that, and then you'll be over here on the registration page of your Halifax account. So let's start with the registration. Enter your first name over here, your last name over here, your birth date, your month, your year, and after that enter your email address with which you will be using your Halifax account later on. Confirm your email address over here by retyping it guys. And you can choose either you live on the UK or not. If you live in the UK, click on yes. If no, click on no, and you'll be required to enter the postcode of your city. And after that, choose your account type over here. Either you want a current or savings account, or a loan, mortgage, debit or credit card, or share or dealing account. And after that, enter your sort code over here and your sort account number over here. You can see guys, you can find the statement or details on your statement or debit card if you have one. And after that, click on the I agree to online banking terms and conditions and click on continue. And on the next step, you will be required to go to the verification process of the Halifax account or the Halifax online banking sector. And after that guys, your account will be ready to use, and also you will be able to contact the customer care center of the Halifax bank from over here if you get any of the problems while you register for your account. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for a Halifax online banking account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.